Solana price today is $94.05. With a 24-hour trading volume of $1.7 billion, Solana is down 4.06% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 8. With a live market cap of $30 billion, it has a circulating supply of 319 million Sol coins. According to our current Solana price prediction, the value of Solana will rise by 50.70% and reach $141.76 by the 23rd of February 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Solana recorded 14/3047% green days with 10.93% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Solana forecast, it's now about time to buy Solana. Comparing Solana against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Solana price could head over the long term. The following table shows what the Solana price would be if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $96.23, Solana has support levels of $89.89, $86.48, and the strongest at $80.14. Similarly, Solana resistance levels are at $99.64, $105.98, and $109.40. The Solana price remained in the red over the weekend, registering a marginal drop on Saturday and then dropping by over 4% on Sunday to end the weekend at $92.84. Monday saw Sol back in the green, as it rose by almost 4% and then surged by 9.51% on Tuesday, moving above the 20-day SMA and settling at $105.60. However, Sol fell back on Wednesday, dropping over 3%, slipping below the 20-day SMA and settling at $101.92. The current session sees Sol below the $100 level, as sellers look to push the price lower. We can see that the Parabolic SAR is bullish, but if the price continues to drop, we could see it flip to bearish. The 4-hour Solana price chart shows that Sol dropped to $111.36 on the 10th. Sol continued to drop from this level, slipping below the 50-bar SMA and dropping to $105.21. Sol made a marginal recovery from this level but fell back again, dropping to $94.96 on the 12th. Sol remained bearish after dropping to this level and fell to $92.26. Sol was able to make a strong recovery from this point, as it rose to $96.58, and then pushed past the 20-bar SMA, rising to $101.40. Sol then moved above the 50-bar SMA on the 16th before dropping back, falling below the 50 and 20-bar SMAs and moving to its current level of $99. We can see that the Parabolic SAR is currently bearish, indicating that we could see the price drop further. Solana price is positively correlated with the top 10 coins by market cap with a value of 0.693, excluding Tether, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap excluding all stable coins with a value of 0.678. Currencies that are positively correlated with Solana indicate that the movement of one has a statistically significant weight to lead the other in the same direction. For currencies that are negatively correlated with Solana, a move in one direction for Solana would translate into a move in the opposite direction for the negatively correlated coin. The price of Solana in the IEO was 22 cents and the token sale ended on the 24th of March 2020. Since then, Sol price increased for 27.64x against US dollar, increased 19.79x against Ethereum and increased 68.73x against Bitcoin. To learn more about Solana IEO. The top performing year for Solana was 2021, when the price of Sol increased by 11,192.42% from $1.51 to $170.06. The worst performing year for Solana was 2020, when the price increased by 127.06% from $0.663 to $1.51. The average yearly growth of Solana over the last 3 years is 5.659% per year. Usually, Solana performs best in Q1 with an average of 189.50% gain and worst in Q4 with minus 13.74% loss. The Solana price started the previous week on a fairly positive note, rising by almost 2% on Monday and moving to $117.63. The price fell back on Tuesday, dropping by 3.46%, and dropping to $113.56. Sol registered a marginal recovery on Wednesday, before falling back in the red on Thursday, dropping by over 6% and falling to $106.58. Friday saw Sol continue to drop, as it fell by over 8%, dropping below the 20 days SMA and ending the day at $97.59. Unfortunately, we cannot give you financial advice and won't be able to tell you what to do with your coins. That is something you should decide for yourself. However, Solana is a really interesting project, and we wanted to take a look at what potential it may have in the near future. As we have mentioned previously, Solana seems to be going through a correction phase right now. It is difficult to say how hard this correction will hit the coin, whether its current price will be its lowest point in 2021, and if it will be able to recover afterwards, and continue its climb upwards. However, we can still make some tentative price predictions. If the attention Sol has grabbed turns out to not be enough, and its holders get affected by FOMO, Sol owners might sell off their remaining coins to try and get some profit, plummeting the price of this cryptocurrency into the ground. However, unlike the usual pump and dump altcoins, Solana has not only the hype but also genuine interest in its functionality to back it up.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you